It is a colorless oily liquid. It is a strong oxidant. It has high electrical conductivity. It's an acid. I'm Jala Goda. I welcome you all to my channel. Without further wasting the time, let's get into the topic. In this video, I am talking about sulphuric acid. Sulphuric acid is a mineral acid composed of the elements sulfur, oxygen and hydrogen with a chemical formula of H2SO4. Here, mineral acid means the acid that occurs naturally on earth. It is a colorless, odorless and viscous liquid that is miscible with the water. You might be thinking, what does the viscous liquid is? It is nothing but the liquid that are sticky and thick in nature. Pure sulphuric acid does not occur naturally on earth as it has a strong attraction towards water. It readily absorbs water vapor from air and it stays in a hydrated form. As it stays in a hydrated form, it can dehydrate other materials. Dehydrating property. If something has a property of removing water molecule from any other material, then that will be called as dehydrating property. Here, sulphuric acid has a strong affinity towards the water. So, it readily removes water molecule from other materials. It makes sulphuric acid a powerful dehydrating agent. Sulphuric acid is strong oxidant with a powerful dehydrating property. This makes it highly corrosive in nature. You might have heard about corrosion and rusting. The oxide layer that forms on a material surface, that will be called as corrosion. Here, sulphuric acid is a strong oxidant, so this allows the metal surface to get oxidized. And the dehydrating property removes the water molecule from the material, and the removing of water molecule allows the material to get oxidized automatically. So this makes sulphuric acid highly corrosive in nature. Sulphuric acid can dehydrate the materials from rocks to metals. So there is only one exception, that is phosphorus pentoxide, that cannot be dehydrated by sulphuric acid. In contrary, sulphuric acid gets dehydrated by phosphorus pentoxide and it gets the form of sulfur trioxide. Can we add sulphuric acid to the water? Yes, we can add, but with a caution. Acid should be added slowly along with the continuous stirring. It is added slowly because there is a considerable amount of heat is released after adding acid to the water. As it releases the heat, the reaction will be called as exothermic. Always remember, water should not be added to acid, as it allows the solution to get boiled and it can break down the beaker, it can burst a beaker and it can create a hazardous issues. Can we touch sulphuric acid? Never go for that. Even if you are using a sulphuric acid for any other purpose, go with caution. If our body comes in contact with a sulphuric acid, there will be chemical burns or thermal burns due to dehydration. It is not only about a sulphuric acid. Whenever we are dealing with any acid, there should be a safety measures taken. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching.